The board in question, and it looks like it just comes right off, and it does still. So those nails aren't doing the trick anymore. I'm gonna have to get something a little bit more heavy duty just to make sure that this board stays down. A nice quick fix. The picnic table is all safe and secure again. Got extra screws in all of the boards just so that they don't pop off again there. We should be good to go. All right, guys, have a great day.